Hi, welcome back to Business Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. If you've been following along, we have been talking about making tax digital. Now let's break down that timeline. We have quarter one. This will be applied from the 7th of August 2026. In quarter one, you will require a filing of the year for the period 6th of April to the 5th of July 2026. This is if you have not already pre-agreed with HMRC that you are filing for the 1st of April to the 31st of June. You are able to make a request to HMRC for filings starting on the 1st of April. However, you must do this before the deadline. Quarter two, this is filed by the 7th of November 2026. This is year to date for the period 6th of April to the 5th of October. Quarter three is filed by 7th of February 2027. This will be for the period 6th of April to the 5th of January 2027. And finally, quarter four, this will be your final declaration and submitted on the 7th of May 2027. This will be your year to date for the 6th of April to the 5th of April 2027. Thanks for following along this series of Making Tax Digital. I hope this has been helpful. If you haven't already checked out my other Making Tax Digital videos, please do.